I want y'all to look at this oak tree. Understand how big this tree is. It's an old tree. Very old tree. I want y'all to look. I'm 5 foot off the ground measuring the circumference of this tree, and it's 16 feet. Y'all see it? It's the end of the tape. It's 16 feet, y'all. You get down here just above the flutes and the roots, and it's way bigger than that. I'm gonna measure the base of this old oak. I'm gonna try to anyway. Try to measure the base of it if I can make this damn thing stick in here. Right here at the roots. Right here. Yeah. What? Oh, Lord. That's a big old tree. Yeah. Hey, baby. Come on down. Look, I ain't even down on the ground. Look. This is where I am. Let's see what we are. Come on right here. Yeah, here we go. Huh? Let's see what we got. 24 feet, y'all. And that ain't to the tips of the roots. I'm 5 foot off the ground. About 5 foot through this damn thing. Over 5 foot. How's that damn tree? That's a man tree right there. Old oak. That's an old tin oak right there, y'all. The size of that damn thing. Lord have mercy. No, look here. I want to show y'all. It's going to give you a little perspective on the size of this tree. That's that 1022 carbon propped up there. Y'all can see it. This tree is huge. Look at it. Look. Huge. Don't make them like this no more, y'all. That's a man pin oak tree right there. Hell, that's so much. Damn near 5 foot up there, 20 feet. Look at it. 125 foot. 25 foot pin oak, a man. "16 feet around that summit at 5 foot off the ground." You're looking at 5 foot diameter plus over 5 foot in diameter. That's a man. It's raining. Listen. Raining. Hooty hoo.